All right, we got a continuation of the rally that started yesterday on a breakout of a bullish wedge pattern. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we had an upside breakout of this falling wedge here, and it broke out exactly how you'd want, textbook breakout really. Hit resistance at the purple 20 moving average, and then broke out today. So today's breakout, though, did something interesting. Number one, we got above this interim swing high here. Number two, we broke above this anchored volume weighted average price line that begins from down here at the bottom in 2024. It was support here, and failed as support here, was resistance here, but an upside breakout, of course, would be a breakout of that potentially significant resistance level. At that point, though, this uptrend line, which was support, now potentially resistance, also is a little bit higher depending on when we get there. But the target for the wedge is 3.15, and depending on how you want to measure it, maybe the 319. So 315 to 319, along with this 50 moving average at 320 currently and falling, looks to be the more significant resistance zone if this rally continues, and it looks like there's a good chance that it might do that. Now, taking a quick look at the weekly chart, you could see that there is a potential. There's only one more day left to the week. This is a potential bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So this is pretty bullish and should have lead to more upside, but that doesn't mean there's not going to be backing and filling within the week's range prior to a continuation to the upside. And nevertheless, there's still potential resistance up here, and then higher up, going back to the daily, the 200 moving average here at 350 currently, approximately. Since this midway point of this declining channel has been broken, if it gets broken again and price stays above it, then there's a chance that the top of the channel is reached. Now, maybe it's reached, maybe it's not, but what it does tell us is there's buying pressure and supporting what we're seeing here. Okay, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great Friday.